Hey there, in this quick video tutorial I'm going to show you how to check if your PC has virtualization option and if it's enabled or not. So let's get started. First go to Google and type in speccy, just like this. Go to the first link, click download free version, then scroll down, click this again and click on download. Wait for the download to start. Save it on your desktop and run the execution file. While this is installing, let me tell you what this program is doing. It's giving you the detailed insight in your PC. So we will be able to determine whether your PC has virtualization at all using this program. Okay, I will click here Run Speccy. I'll close this, and as you can see, this window is open. Click CPU and find this one, virtualization. As you can see, on my PC it's supported and enabled. But if you see that it's supported but disabled, you'll have to enable it manually using your BIOS. So I'll show you how to do that as well. Unfortunately, if virtualization is not supported by your PC, then you won't be able to use any virtualization features. So on to the next step. Now in this part of the video I'm going to show you how to turn on virtualization in your BIOS. Start off by turning on your PC. While your system is turning on, press F2. Now when your BIOS is opened, find your virtualization options. In every BIOS it's in a different place, but make sure to find it. For example, mine is here. As you can see, Intel virtualization technology, and it's enabled. If it's disabled and you want to enable it, click enter and select enable. After you are finished, go to save and exit and make sure to click here save and exit setup like this and click yes, and that's it. After you have enabled virtualization in your BIOS, double click on speccy, go to CPU and check whether virtualization is enabled. If it's enabled, then you have done everything right. So this is it for this video tutorial. I hope that you found it helpful. If you have any questions, please write in comments down below. See you next time.